No, I think it's going to come on then. I don't know why it just came on all of a sudden. You should be doing that with yours, not mine.
Well, this is the only way I can post it on YouTube.
3. Colin, it's kind of boring.
I'm gonna record it from. I'm actually gonna post it on YouTube.
Colin, jeez. Oh, your gas is expensive over here.
Oh man.
No kidding.
Well, oh well, oh well. Another sneeze day on Route 53 to 135th.
Goodness.
OMG. You caused a big laugh-quake. And that means everyone will have to go to the hospital. And you made a store tearing to pieces.
I what?
There's a store that's all broken down. And it's all because of your sneeze.
Oh, it's not. You're just making it all up, Colin Nolan. Oh, whew. Now I think I'm out of the sun, so maybe it'll stop now. Man.
I think this was my fault.
Huh?
I think this was my fault.
Why?
Because I think I was the one that made you sneeze by giggling so much.
No, you didn't even see the first one coming. It was when I turned on the...
No, I saw the first one coming by myself.
Yeah, but you didn't have the camera on.
Well, I know the first one was coming. That's why I got the camera out.
You got the camera out after I sneezed. You didn't
After
see
the
it.
first one.
Yeah, after the first one. The first one I didn't see coming either. It was when I turned on 53 and the sun was right there in my face that made me sneeze.
Oh. Attention, please. This is an important laugh-quake announcement. Everyone report to Carlisle Hospital. I repeat, everyone report to Carlisle Hospital immediately. Alright, that's it.